Hello guys and welcome to another Italian recipe. Today we're making tiramisu, which originated back in Siena, Italy. Now here's a fun fact. Did you know that tiramisu used to be made with loose custard instead of mascarpone? Well, it has only become a recent trend where chefs are using mascarpone instead of loose custard. This recipe is delicious and very easy to make, so if you're ready to cook with me, these are the ingredients that we need to make tiramisu. 3 eggs, a bunch of ladyfinger biscuits, 250 grams of mascarpone, half a cup of sugar, 2 to 3 espresso shots, and some cocoa powder. Using a glass bowl, separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. Here's a quick tip: room temperature eggs are much easier to separate than the ones that stay in the fridge. After we have separated the egg yolks, let's add the sugar and mix it really well until we get a yellow foamy consistency. If you're afraid from salmonella, you can always use a bain-marie to mix the egg yolks with sugar. This way the steam will slightly cook the egg yolks. I do not prefer that method because it's going to change the flavor. Just to be on the safe side, try to use organic pasture-raised eggs. As soon as the sugar is dissolved, let's add the mascarpone and mix it really well until we get a homogeneous consistency. Put the egg yolks aside, and now let's mix the egg whites. The egg whites are ready when we turn the bowl over and they don't fall. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check my Instagram page, Giulio Cooks, where I post other recipes and restaurant reviews. Bring back the egg yolks and using a spatula, combine both of the mixtures. When you combine them together, move the spatula from down to upwards. This will help preserve the air in the egg whites. Do not use a mixer because it will ruin the consistency. As soon as our mixture is ready, let's prepare the ladyfingers. Soak the ladyfingers very quickly in espresso and put them in the cup. Do not let them soak for too long because it will ruin the biscuit. If you like, you can put them in a baking tray instead of a cup, but I do like the cup version better. Now it's time to add the mascarpone cream. Once you've added the mascarpone cream, try to vibrate the glass against the table so that the air bubbles come up. Top it off with some cocoa powder and then store it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. And that's how you make tiramisu. I hope you guys liked this recipe, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe below, and I'll see you on the next video.